Hey guys, today this is a remade version of my original Windows tier list. So, yeah, today we're going to be doing that. Let's get into the video. Now the first one, 4-pane, average window. This is S tier, obviously. It's 4-pane. It's really easy to look out of. It's great. Now, for this one, which is just the normal single pane, I was kind of torn. But should I go to A tier or B tier? But I settled with B tier. Now, this is the basement storm window. And honestly, this is an alright one. It does its job, but it gets hit by a ton of stuff. But, you know, overall, B tier. It's good. It's good. Now, this one is just a 3-paned. Well, it's a vertical window, and overall, it's all right. It's very clear, and it's very well made. Now, we are going to be doing the blinds for this one. Just, you know, why not? Now, this is a bedroom blind, and I mean, it's all right, I guess. Can't really be said. I mean, nothing else to say about it. It's pretty good. However, it does let a lot of light in, which, you know, last time I checked, isn't the point of blinds. So, yeah. So, yeah, it's a solid, probably would settle for a, yeah, it's a very good one. C tier. Now this one is a kitchen blind, and yeah, it's not really good, but you're not going to be prepared for the wooden blind. This one is mostly used for basements, and it's really bad. That is my complete list. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you.